Hey, it's John Tech here, and today we're going to be talking about the Galaxy S23 new leaks. Samsung's plans for the Exynos 2300 have long been called into doubt. The flagship chipset, if launched, will power next year's Galaxy S23 series, but new reports now provide conflicting information on the company's current stance. Last week, reports revealed the model number and code name of the flagship chipset from Samsung expected to be the Exynos 2300. More information has now surfaced about that SoC, while sadly providing little to no confirmation on what the chipset of Galaxy S23 series will come equipped with in Europe. According to typical reliable leaker Chunvin, previous information providing the Exynos 2300's codename as Quadra was accurate. Again, showing that Samsung, at the very minimum, once had the Exynos 2300 in the works. Roland Quant indicates that information held true up until 6 weeks ago at least, although things may have changed since then. Another leaker, Yogesh Brar, claims Samsung is pushing to implement the Exynos 2300 on the Galaxy S23, but may end up sticking to Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 exclusively. On the flip side though, Chunvin firmly debunks prior rumors that claim that the Galaxy S23 series could feature chipsets from MediaTek. As it stands, the Galaxy S23 series will either use the combination of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Exynos 2300, depending on regional models, or the Qualcomm's chipset exclusively. The latter does look more likely, however, with certain Korean sources also claiming that the Exynos 2300 has been scrapped entirely. That's it for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts on that, and also before you're leaving, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you soon.